Good morning, students. Yesterday I explained you the theorem which is based on the areas of ratios of similar triangle. So it is equal to the square of corresponding side of a similar triangle. Now yesterday we saw the first three questions from practice set 1.4. Now the remaining question today I am going to explain you. Now see the question number 4. In triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into a triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Student, very simple. Firstly, what is given that you have to write. The given is what? 9 multiplied by area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 multiplied by triangle area of LMN. Now, area of LMN upon area of PQR is equal to 9 upon 16. Okay students, just this PQR I am shifting this side and 16 this side. Okay, so here upon is there. Okay, upon, and here also 9 upon 16. Now so LMN and PQR are similar. If they are similar, means the theorem of area of similar triangle is what? MN square upon QR square. What? The area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square. Now MN square upon QR square, this is not 2 square it is. Okay, 9 upon 16, and by taking a square root of both side, 9 square root is 3 and 4 square root is 16 square root is 4. 9 3 and 16 4, and therefore MN upon QR is given, that is 20. So MN upon 20 is equal to 3 upon 4. So MN is equal to this 20, shift this side by the multiplication. What you will get? 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15 units. So MN is equal to 15. Only remember that here is upon sign is there, and here also it is not 916, it is 9 upon 16. Okay, here also area of LMN upon area of PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square. Now the next question. This is also very simple question. Now see, area of two similar triangle are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12, then find the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. Very simple. Firstly, write down the A1, that is 225, A2, 81. First triangle, second triangle. The smaller triangle means this triangle S1 and S2. What is given? S2. Because the area of the smaller triangle and is 81 than this 225. And therefore, S2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Whose area is less? That side is less, obviously. Okay. Then, according to the theorem of area of similar triangle, A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square, and therefore 225 upon 81 is equal to S1 square upon 12 square. So S1 square is equal to this, just you have to shift this in this side, you will get this 12 square, in this side you will get this formula, and then S1 is equal to 15 into, because I am taking the square root of all the terms. Okay, because they are in a multiplication and division, so we can take directly the square root. So 225 square root is 15, 12 square we have to cancel the square 12, 81 square root is 9, and after solving this you will get the side S1, that is 20 centimeter, and therefore the length of the corresponding side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Now question number 6. This is also simple one. See, a triangle ABC and triangle PDEF are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC as to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 as to 2 and AB is equal to 4, we have to find out D. This ratio is given, areas ratio is given, AB one side is given, corresponding side of another triangle we have to find out. Corresponding sides of another triangle we have to find out. Okay student, see here. Simple. What is given in the solution? Triangle ABC and DF. What they are saying? They are equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all angles are equal. If all angles are equal means they are similar also. Show it. Angle A is equal to angle D, 60 degree. Angle B is equal to E, 60 degree. You can show C is equal to F, 60. Means by AAA test or AA test, you can show the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. For this, you will get the half marks. Now, what is given? The ratio is given. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. What is there? The ratio of area of similar triangle is equal to the corresponding sides square, and by the theorem of area of similar triangle, what we can say? This area ABC upon DF is 1 by 2. So what is AB? AB is 4 square, and what is DE? D square as it is. Now D is shift this side, this 2 shift that side. So what you will get? D square is equal to this 4 square into 2, that is 16 into 2, or you can write as it is 4. By taking the square root, you will get the 4 root 2 is the D, that is the side we have to find out. Understood? Very simple it is. This is very important. You have to show this triangle art. We know that, but we have to write, we have to mention in a solution these two triangles are similar, and therefore we can use this theorem. Next. Now in the adjoining figure, if you are observing this figure, the segment PQ is parallel to D. PQ is parallel to D. Area of triangle PQF is 20 square unit, and PF is equal to 2 times of DP. Listen, what is given? PQ is parallel to D, PF is 2 times of DP. Then find the area of triangle PQE. Find the area of triangle DEF by completing the following activity. Activity question is there, so you have to find out. Now listen, area of triangle PQF is 20. PQF means this small triangle having a area is 20 square unit. PF is equal to 2 times of DP, means a ratio of side is given. Now assume that the DP is x. So what is PF? PF is 2 times of DP, therefore it is 2x. Okay. DP is x. So what is PF? PF is 2 times of DP, that is equal to 2x. Now DF is equal to, DF total is DP plus PF. Therefore DP plus PF is equal to x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x, because DPE are the collinear. Now in the triangle FDE, which FDE is equal to angle FD. What it? FDE is equal to angle PFPQ. Why? Because the corresponding angle. Listen, DE is parallel to PQ, and therefore the angle this D and angle this P is congruent to each other by the corresponding angle. Similarly, angle DEF and angle PQE, they are also corresponding angle when these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, it is given in a question. Understood? And therefore triangle FPQ and triangle FDE, they are similar by AA test of similarity. If these two triangles, this small one and this big one, are similar, it means that their areas ratio is equal to the square of the corresponding sides. Okay, so area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ. Listen, 1-to-1 correspondence is very important. FDE, then FPQ, because P is congruent with D and this Q is congruent with E. So by the 1-to-1 correspondence, by similar triangle, by the theorem of the area of similar triangle, we can write that it is first side is DF square. Now if you are taking DF square, then downside what will come? Obviously the corresponding side is PF square, and that is equal to, what is DF? Our DF is 3x, and what is PF? Our PF is 2x. Therefore 3x square upon 2x square is equal to 9 by 4. So these x will cancel out. this x square, the 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. And now area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 by 4 into area of triangle. This triangle FPQ, we are shifting this side, and it is given that FPQ triangle area is 20. Therefore 9 by 4 into 20. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 9 5s are 45 square unit. And therefore the area of triangle, which one? FDE is equal to 45 square unit. But we have to find out the area of quadrilateral DPEQ. You have to subtract the bigger area minus of smaller triangle area. You will get the area of PDEQ. And therefore area of triangle quadrilateral DPQE. DPQE means this area is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle EPQ. FDE area is 45 minus PQF area is 20, and therefore it will come a area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to 25 square unit. Understood, students? So everything, this lesson will finish here. This lesson is finished here. So the remaining question up to 7 question up to 1.4 you have to write in your notebook properly. Okay, students, and doubt you can ask me in a doubt session. If I will not send the message, then also in between 6 to 7 you can ask me the doubt. Okay, students.